Morning scholars, welcome back to the channel. This morning we're going to look at writing words or certain phrases as decimals and as fractions, decimal fractions. So we're given some phrases. I'm going to read the phrases and we're going to write them first as fraction and then as decimal. So if you're not familiar with how to write fractions as decimals, you can look at the video that was done on that just to bring yourself up to speed, right? So here we go. So we're looking at, these are the phrases and we're going to change them first to fractions. So 25 tenths. So remember, tenths mean we're dividing by 10. So that's 25 tenths. And when we're dividing by 10, we move one place back. From the end of the number, one place back. So that will take us from the 5 to in between the 2 and the 5. So that will be 2.5. 13 hundredths. So 13 hundredths. And that would be, we're dividing by 100. So that's 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So that will take us just in front of the 1, which means we need to fill that space with our space holder, the 0. 92 thousandths. So we're dividing by 1,000. We have 92 in the denominator. Thousandths, 3 zeros. So we're moving 3 places to the left from here. 1, 2, 3. So that means we need to fill this space in front of the 9 with a 0. And we also need to put our decimal point and just hold that place in the whole number with a 0. So this is 92 thousandths. 54 tenths. 54 tenths. So that's 54 tenths. So we're dividing by 10, we're going to move one place to the left. From the end, one place to the left would take us in between the 5 and the 4. So that's 54 tenths or 5 and 4 tenths. 9 thousandths. 9 thousandths. So that would mean we're dividing by 1,000, we're moving 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, that means we need 2 zeros there in front of the 9 to hold the 10th place and the 100th place because it's 9 thousandths. There is no 10th, there is no 100th. We also need to put our decimal point and hold the whole number place with a 0 as well. 39 hundredths. 39 hundredths. 2 places to the left. So that's 1, 2. Right, 2 places to the left. 39 hundredths. 29 and 3 tenths. So here we have a whole number aspect to it. 29 is a whole number, and then 3 tenths would be the fractional part. So it's 29, 3 tenths. So this is the part that we're going to write as a decimal. So 29 is a whole number, and 0.3, because it's only one decimal place, we're dividing by 10, one place to the left. 68 and 22 hundredths. 68 is the whole number. 22 hundredths. So that's 68. 2 places back would leave us right in front of the 2. So it's 68 and 22 hundredths. The 68 is the whole number part of it. The 22 hundredths is the decimal or the fraction part. 5 thousandths. 5 thousandths. So we have 3 zeros. We're dividing by 1,000. We're moving 3 places to the left from here. 1, 2, 3. That means we need 2 places, 2 zeros to fill the 10th and the 100th place, because it's just 5 thousandths. And we're going to fill our whole number position also with a 0. 15 tenths. So 15 tenths. We're dividing by 10. We're moving 1 place back. 1 place would take us between the 1 and the 5. So that's 1.5 as a decimal. So 1 and 5 tenths is the same as saying 15 tenths. 1 and 5 tenths, 15 tenths, same thing. 97 and 3 hundredths. So the 97 is the whole number part of it. 3 hundredths is the decimal or fraction part. 97, 3 hundredths. So we have our 97. Three hundredths, so we have two decimal places, right? 97 as a whole number and 3 hundredths. 18 and 1/10. So 18, 1/10. So the 18 is a whole number and 1/10 would be 0.1. 18.1, 18 and 1/10. 44 and 28 thousandths. So 44, 28 thousandths. So 3 places, 1, 2, and a 0 there. So it's 48, 28 thousandths. 44, sorry, 44 and 28 thousandths. 5 tenths, 5 tenths. So we're moving 1 place to the left. Alright, so we can write it here actually, so that will be 0.5. 1 place to the left. Alright, 2 hundredths. So 2 hundredths would be 2 hundredths. 2 places to the left would take us at 0.02. 10 thousandths. So 10 thousandths, 3 places to the left. We're going to need to fill that space. Thousandths and 8 tenths. So that's 8 tenths. 1 place to the left, that's 0.8. 13 tenths. 13 tenths. So we're dividing by 10, we need to move 1 place to the left. It's going to take us between the 1 and the 3. So that's 1.3. 5 and 2 tenths. So that's 5 and 2 tenths. So 5 is the whole number, and then moving 1 place to the left from the 2. What is it? It's in the 10th place, it's 2 tenths, 5 and 2 tenths. 6 tenths, One place to the left will take us to 0.6. 17 hundredths. 17 hundredths. So two places. 1, 2. That's 0.17. 17 hundredths. 1 and 1/10. 1 is the whole number. 1/10. So we just need one place to the left. The 1 is the whole number and the 1 is in the 10th place. 9 thousandths. 9 thousandths. 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So we need 2 placeholders in front of the 9. And a placeholder in the whole number. 15 tenths. 15 tenths. Moving one place to the left, it takes us in between the 1 and the 5. So 15 tenths is the same as 1.5 or 1 and 5 tenths. Right? 15 tenths, 1 and 5 tenths. So that's how we do it. Writing phrases as fractions and decimals. Alright, so if you have been helped by this video, please comment to say thank you and please share the video so others can benefit. Also, let me know if there's any other topic that you'd like me to do a video on, and I'll certainly do that for you. I'll see you in the next video.